The friend zone. You're in it, you don't want to be there. Feels like you're on this deserted island, and not one that looks like this, but a scary one where you're all alone. We don't want you to be in friend zone island, no. We want you to be in lover's lane. And the only way to get there is to escape the friend zone. So I'm gonna be giving you a line to say that is going to help you escape the friend zone. Most importantly, avoid the friend zone. Here's the thing, there's no guarantees that you're ever gonna be able to get out of the friend zone with the girl you're with. So I'd like to try to fix the actual problem and not try to fix the symptoms. Let's get right to the point. The line that you're gonna say is, I don't want any more friends. That's what you're gonna say. I don't want any more friends. Very simple, very direct. And that's what a big part of this channel is to teach you how to ask for what you want, get what you want, and be more assertive. And so that line really encompasses that assertiveness. Saying to her, I don't want any more friends. Now, when are you gonna say this? What's the context of this? Well, first of all, one of the ways to avoid the friend zone, or at least get out of the friend zone, is to state your intentions. Let the girl that you're in the friend zone with know that you're interested in her. And if she says something to you, like, oh no, sorry, you know, I just see you as a friend, or oh no, you know, that's not what I thought this was about, or anything in that realm, you're gonna say to her that line. You're gonna say, well, listen, I don't want any more friends. And you're basically stating to her directly that this is not what you're in it for, and that you like her more than that. Now listen, is that line right there gonna all of a sudden just like make her change her mind and say, wait a minute, he doesn't want any more friends. Ah, we are now gonna be lovers. No, that's not gonna happen. But the very point of this line is to give you some courage and to be able to teach you to not only say what you're looking for, but let a girl know what it is that you are looking for. You know, say to a girl when you like her, say, hey, I'm not looking for any more friends. I don't want any more friends. That's a way to actually tell a girl that you're interested in her. So what I want you to use that line for is actually telling a girl that you like her, that you're interested in her. Say that line to her. That's gonna be your way out. Guys always want this kind of like magic solution to getting out of the friend zone. And let me tell you something, there is none. The only way is to tell her that you're not interested in friendship. And that's the point of this video. You're not interested in friendship. Let her know. Here's my little mini challenge for you today. No, it's not Movement Monday if you know what I'm talking about, but if you have a friend zone situation, I want you to tell the girl right now that you're in the friend zone with that you're not looking to be friends, that you don't want any more friends. Tell her this. And you know what? End this purgatory. Finally get out of the situation once and for all where you're in this like in the middle, in between kind of situation. We don't want you in there. So tell her this, write down below what happens so we can finally have you move forward and move on. You're probably wondering where I am right now. I am at a sandbar, just Potter and I, in the middle of the Indian Ocean. We had this whole picnic set up for us by Fushifaru, the resort that we're staying at, which is incredible. And they set up this entire picnic for you where you can spend a couple hours here with the waves crashing on every single end of you, all alone. It's incredible. night. The sun has set. I wanted to continue this video. It's really important to me. It's honestly, it's one of the most important things I can try to convey to so many guys out there is the concept of the evil friend zone and why it's so important to stay out of it. Of course, I know you want to stay out of it, you want to avoid it, but I believe that you have created the choice to stay in the friend zone or not. I believe that guys put themselves in the friend zone instead of girls putting them in the friend zone, because you don't have to be in the friend zone. So you're probably thinking, well, Trip, what are my options? Well, you have two options. One, she doesn't put you in the friend zone, you guys start dating, or she rejects you, or rejection is a harsh word. Maybe she just says to you that she's not interested. She doesn't see you like that. Whatever the reason, it doesn't work out. So then you move on. Staying in the friend zone and trying to be her friend to eventually sort of convince her that you're a good guy, it doesn't work, okay? I've done this. I know guys who have done it. It doesn't work. What ends up happening is your self-esteem gets completely crushed because you end up being a friend to this girl for so long only to find out that she's gonna be with another guy, and that guy is not gonna be you. Go ahead, press like if you agree with me. I wanna see at least 2,000 likes on this video because you should agree with me. You have to agree with me. You need to agree with me. The friend zone's a bad place. Avoid it at all costs. All right, press that like button, hit subscribe. I'm going back to listen to some music and to hang out, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.